students, we are already seeing about the chapter 2, which is nothing but fractions and decimals. In fractions and decimals, it is of two parts, that is one is fraction and other is decimal. Already fractions is over and we were revising about the decimals. Now we will see multiplication of decimals. Okay students, we were revising about the fractions, then multiplication, how to multiply with the fraction and the value of the products. Then we were seeing how to divide a fraction, division of a fraction. Then we were revising the decimals in that. Now we are going to see multiplication of decimals. That is, we have three topics: multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number, then multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, then multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay students, now first we will see multiplication of decimals. In multiplication of decimal, you need to follow the two rules. See here, first step is ignore the decimal point. You need to ignore the decimal point and find the product of the given decimal number and whole number. Okay students, now if they are giving 32, that this is a whole number, then they are giving a decimal number. Okay students, you just ignore this decimal number. Just ignore this and multiply as a whole number. In the decimal number ignore பண்ணிட்டு you need to multiply as 32 into 38. அப்படியே முதல்ல multiply பண்ணுங்க. Then after multiplying, in the product so obtained, see the step 2. In the product so obtained, we put a decimal point so that the number of a decimal value in the product is same as the given decimal number. That is nothing but, இப்போ questionல 32 into 3.8 if I am giving. Okay students, in the product also you need to have only one decimal. After decimal point only one number should be there. Understood students? The product decimal illama consider பண்ணிட்டு you need to multiply it. Then after multiplying and getting the product, you need to decimal க்கு அப்புறம் எத்தனை நம்பர் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. After decimal you have only 8. So after decimal ஒரே ஒரு நம்பர் தான் இருக்கு. So after decimal here also in product also you need to have only one number. Understood students? See an example here. See the example here. 345.7 into 5. This is a multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. First topic. Okay. See here what I have said. First, just omit the decimal point. And the decimal அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டு you need to multiply directly. See here. 3457 into 5. Directly if you multiply 17285. Understood students? You are getting the product as 17285. Understood students? Now check the decimal. Here in decimal number, after decimal how many numbers are there? Only 7. Only one number is there. So from the last, that is from the right, only see, keep only 1 point. Okay students? After decimal from the right you need to move to the, from the right, last right lande you need to move to the left. Number order last right lande you need to move to the left. Decimal should be kept in the left. Okay students, last right is, the number is 5. So after decimal you need to have only 1 point. So we have 0.5, 1728.5. Understood students? We will see the next example also. See here students, a bag of wheat weighs 35.67 kg. Find the weight of 47 such bags. One bag's weight is 35.67 kg. They are asking how much weight does 47 such bags will be having. So you need to multiply. So before multiplying, what I have said, just multiply directly without considering the decimal. Decimal illam you need to multiply directly. After multiplying, you need to see after decimal. The decimal number la after decimal how many, see here how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So from the last number lande, from the last, that is right corner lande you need to move to the left. See here 1 2. So after 2 numbers, 2 digit you need to keep a point. After, see here 17649. Understood students? After decimal we have 2 numbers, 2 digits. That is, so see here this is one digit, second digit. So here you need to have a decimal. In the question how many decimal kapra how many digits are there, the same also in the product we need to have. See the next one. Solve 7.89 into 45. Same as that. They are removing the decimal and directly multiplying. After multiplying, see here. Here multiplicand 7.89 has how many decimal numbers it has? It has 2 decimal places. Therefore, the product 789 into 45 will have 2 decimal. What is there in the question? The same number of decimals should be there in the product also. So, in the product, how you will keep? See from the right. 5, 0. So, 2 decimals are there. After point, 2 decimal digits places are there. So 0.05. Understood, students? That's all about this decimal multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Now the next topic we will see multiplication of a decimal numbers by 10, 100 or 1000. How to multiply the decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Here also we will have a rule. See, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000 etc means many zeros. Okay, one continued with any zeros. The digits in the product are the same as in the original number, but the decimal point is shifted to the right. What they are saying is, if any number is multiplied with 10 or 100, the product will be the same number, but only the decimal points will be shifted to the right by as many places as there are number of zeros. எவ்வளோ zeros இருக்கோ அத்தனை zeros ஏற்ற மாதிரி the decimal places will be shifted to the right. Okay, students, see here. We will see an example. You will be clearly understanding. See here. Solve 56.97 into 10. We have 10. Same. Okay. So 10 means, see here, 10 means for 10 how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. So the point should be shifted. Here we have point, before 9 we have point. It should be shifted to the right. See here, 56.97. This point should be 10 க்கு எத்தனை 0 இருக்கு? Only 1 0. So only one place should be moved. ஒரு place, ஒரு 0 இருந்தாக்கா ஒரு place தான் move ஆகும். If it has 2 zeros, 100 க்கு 2 0 இருக்கு. So you need to move 2 times. Understood, students? Only 1 0 is there here in 10. So I am moving it right. Rightல move பண்ணோம். You need to move to the right. Understood, students? You need to move it to the right when you are multiplying with the 10, 100 or 1000. So the answer will be 569.7. We will see another example also. See here, 4.538 into 100. How you will do this? See here. Here in 100 we have 2 zeros. So what you will do? 4.538 into 100. We have 2 zeros. How you will do? Now you need to shift it 2 times. First one time you are shifting to the right, then the second time you are shifting it to the right. So the now point is in near 8. So 453.8. You need to shift it to the right. Understood, students? Normal multiplication means you need to shift it to the left, whereas it is to the right. Understood? You need to shift it to the right. Now we will see for the 1000. Now we will see the next example multiplying with the 1000. See here, 0.67 into 1000. As 1000 has 3 zeros, the decimal point in the product will be shifted 3 places to the right. Since 1000 has 3 zeros, the decimal point will be shifted 3 times to the right. Understood, students? 0.67 has only 2 decimal places. 0.67 can also be written as 0.670, as placing a 0 to the extreme right of the decimal number does not change its value. See, students, in question we are having only 2 decimal places, whereas you need to shift it to 3 places. 1000 ingradhula you have 3 zeros, so you need to shift it 3 times, whereas in the question we have only 2 digits. You can add 0 here, which does not change the value, which does not change the after decimal. If you are adding any 0, that value does not change. Now what you need to do? Adding 0. Okay, students, understood? Now you need to multiply. See here, you can placing a 0 to the extreme right of a decimal number does not change its value. Now what you need to do? Now you multiply it. Now you need to shift the decimal values. 0.67 into 1000. Since 3 zeros are there, how many times you need to move? You need to move 1, 2. I said here you can add a 0 here. So again 0. So the answer is 670.0. You have moved 3 times. Since we have in 1000 3 zeros are there. Understood, students? This is nothing but multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. How many zeros are there near 1, that many times you need to move the decimal points to the right. Now we will continue with the decimal number, multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Listen, in multiplication